TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We have the Dow Industrials up 60, Nasdaq's up 11, S&Ps are up 7.5. Gold contract flat at 1105.80. We have silver down 9 pennies at $14.96 an ounce. Platinum is down $1.60 at $9.53 an ounce. Copper down 3.5 pennies at $2.28 a pound. Light sweet crude off 23 cents at $46.10. Bonds 10-year down 3 ticks, 126.26. 30-year off 26, 154.02. Both the 10 and the 30-year, folks, are going after their swing low. Bottom line, you have dramatically lighter volume as you're going after that swing low. We'll see whether we hit it or not. Bottom line, the bond market still looks that it's getting weak. There's less sellers down at this area. We'll see if we get a rejection of lower price. King dollar. King dollar's up 96 ticks at 98.12. King dollar start moving once again yesterday with juice on the way up. The ABC structure on the way up has a price projection of 1. We're at 98.11. I expect that more than likely is going to get hit. Euro. Euro is up 5 right now at 108, and the yen is traded at 121.77. If we go over and we take a look at the SPY, first off, this is what you have. Now, the market had every right yesterday to go topside. Bottom line, couldn't handle higher price. We're building cause here to get up into at least the highs. Thus far, each and every time we've been up at these levels, meaning the 211, 212 inside the SPY, I just can't handle it. We'll see if it can get up into this today. Thus far, it looks like the market once again wants to sell off. Intraday, the first sell-off has some higher volume on the intraday charts. If we go over to the NDX 100, the Qs, they're laying right at their highs. Facebook did come out with their numbers. That could have given the NDX the power to get up and away from these highs that were generated out here in July. That being said and done, Facebook, nice numbers, big numbers. Facebook's up $6, but what's wrecking the NDX 100 is that you have Qualcomm down $6 or 11% with monster volume. You have Whole Foods down with monster volume. So bottom line, you have SBC Communication is just getting whacked in a big way. So that is setting up that the NASDAQ more than likely will also see a failure as it goes after these highs once again. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold is making its way into its lowest swing point. That lowest swing point is the 1103.80 level. We've hit 1104.60 thus far. It is coming into that level with lighter volume. We'll see whether we get a rejection of lower price, as is the bond market. The bond market right now, the 10-year is down 3 ticks. The low of yesterday was a price point of 126.25. We've hit 126.25 again today. You're doing dramatically lighter volume. The swing point, folks, is 126.16 rather. So we'll see whether it gets down there. It's coming into that level, and we'll see whether we get a rejection of lower price at that particular level. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? King dollar wants to basically make that 1-to-1 ABC structure on the way up. What's going to get intriguing here with King dollar is that gold, no doubt, has come down from 1191. We're 1105. It still hasn't hit the swing yet. And King dollar's almost finished its ABC structure on the way up. What will get intriguing, of course, is that the last highs and King dollar were 98.50, 98.25, and 98.70. You can make the case is that if it gets over there, you can get dramatically over there. We'll see how that shakes out. I expect you're going to see more selling pressure as we go out throughout this day. This 10 a.m. update is brought to you every day by Everbank. For more information on the products they offer, you can call them at 855-750-4051 or visit the everbank.com/TFNN. Have a great day. Have a safe day. Look forward to speaking to you right back here, 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you're looking for a great opportunity to diversify your financial portfolio and hedge against the falling stock market, consider the new market-safe Metals Hedge CD from Everbank. This 5-year indexed U.S. dollar-denominated CD gives you exposure to metals with gold and silver components and allows you to hedge against falling equities with a short component on the SPY ETF. You can earn up to 45% capped upside payment at maturity if gold and silver increase in value and the SPY ETF decreases across annual pricing dates. And should the opposite occur, your principal is 100% protected. Keep in mind, returns are based on CD performance. There is no annual percentage yield or periodic rate of interest on the CD. Don't let fallen markets get you down. Get the Metals Hedge CD. The November 12th funding deadline is quickly approaching, so hurry over to everbank.com/TFNN for the CD's term sheet and other important product details and disclosures. Once again, that's everbank.com/TFNN. This is sponsored content. Everbank is a member FDIC.